Teide National Park, located in Tenerife, Spain, is a breathtaking UNESCO World Heritage site that offers stunning landscapes and unique experiences for travelers. With the advent of drone technology, capturing the beauty of Teide National Park from above has become increasingly popular. Tourism in Teide National Park has been steadily increasing over the years as more people discover its natural beauty. Travelers have the opportunity to explore various trails and hiking routes that lead to different viewpoints within the park. These paths offer a chance to immerse oneself in the awe-inspiring surroundings while enjoying panoramic vistas of both land and sky. If you're planning a trip to Tenerife or seeking an adventure amidst breathtaking scenery, consider adding Teide National Park to your itinerary. It promises an unforgettable journey through an extraordinary natural wonderland that will leave you with a deep appreciation for our planet's remarkable beauty.